Next one, allosomal Mendelian disorder. Allosomal Mendelian disorder. What are that allosomal Mendelian disorders? These topics we already completed. These include allosomal dominant, which include Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, and allosomal recessive disorders, which include color blindness and Bleeder's disease, which is hemophilia. Color blindness and hemophilia are allosomal recessive disorders. Okay, that is enough. This is about Mendelian disorders. This color blindness, hemophilia, DMD, these topics we already completed. Okay, next second one is what? Syndromes. I told you. Syndromes. What are the syndromes? They are what? Chromosomal disorders or syndromes. Syndromes. What is syndrome? They are also called what? Chromosomal disorders, which are due to defect in chromosome number. Chromosomal disorders, what we call syndromes. These chromosomal syndromes may be again autosomal or allosomal, I told you. Okay, first one, see, autosomal syndromes. Autosomal syndromes. In our NCERT, one is given, autosomal syndrome, but we'll see some more types. One is, very good example is Down's syndrome. Down's syndrome, which is also called as Mangolism. What is this Down's syndrome? Here, syndrome, actually, these are, chromosomal disorders. These are different from Mendelian disorders. These do not follow Mendelian pattern of inheritance. These are, what are the reasons for chromosomal disorders means, if abnormal number of chromosomes are produced, then these are called as what? Chromosomal disorders. We'll see some example. This is what Down's syndrome is due to an extra copy of 21st chromosome. 21st chromosome. Usually, all chromosomes have diploid condition, you know. In our body, there is presence of 2 copies of each chromosome. Every chromosome has 2 copies. Chromosome 1 has 2 copies, chromosome 2 has 2 copies. Like that, 22 pairs of autosomes are there. Each autosome has 2 copies. Allosomes, both are similar in females, XX. In males, it is hemizygous, XY. That each and every chromosome has 2 copies, right? But 21st chromosome has 3 numbers. This 21st chromosome has 3 copies. 3 copies means what? 2n actually, but one extra chromosome is present. 46 chromosomes are present in human beings, but this one has one more extra copy of the chromosome. Here, this is what we call 21st trisomy. In mutations, I told you. In mutations, I told you what are monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. If chromosome, total set of chromosomes is increased, then it is called as euploidy. But single chromosome number is increasing means that is what? Aneuploidy. In that aneuploidy, if one extra chromosome is present than normal 2n plus 1, that is called as the 21st condition here. 2n is normal, one extra chromosome is there means then it is called as a trisomy. That extra chromosome is present at 21st chromosome. Okay, that is what we call this one. Okay, here what is the reason? What is the reason here? Due to non-disjunction of 21st chromosome during gamete formation. During meiosis, if chromosomes are separating equally, here 21st chromosome is present 2 copies. During gamete formation, suppose 2 gametes are forming means one gamete should get 21st one chromosome, this is get 21st another chromosome. But non-disjunction taken place means both chromosomes will come here. 21, 21. A single gamete has both chromosomes. 21, 21. This chromosome has no 21st chromosome. Now, when this 2n plus 1 condition, n plus 1 actually here, because gamete is haploid. When this combines with normal 2n, then fertilization taking place, then 2n plus 21st chromosome is present one extra, that will become this condition. This is due to non-disjunction of 21st chromosome pair during meiosis. Okay, what is the reason? Maybe due to late pregnancy. Due to late pregnancy, this Down syndrome may develop. Associated with late pregnancy in women, where disjunction of 21st chromosome is not taking place properly. Okay, so that gamete formation is not there now. So some ova gets a pair of 21st and some ova don't get 21st chromosome. So the ova which has a pair of 21st chromosomes, if it is combining with normal sperm, then it is combining. So that ovum with 2 copies of 21st fuses with normal egg, normal sperm, this condition develops. This condition develops. Okay, what are symptoms of Down syndrome? Short stature, they will not grow more height. Short stature, small round head, small round head and partially open mouth, partially opened mouth, big and furrowed tongue, big and furrowed, or we can say wrinkled tongue, big and furrowed tongue, retarded growth, retarded physical mental development. and retarded physical, mental, that means psychomotor development. These are the symptoms of the person who are suffering with Down syndrome. In a person Down syndrome was developed means that person may have these conditions, like 21st chromosome is present extra copy. Due to presence of that extra copy, total chromosomes in that diseased condition is what we can say 47 chromosomes are present. Each chromosome has 2 copies, but 21st chromosome is present extra. This is seen in both males and females. That is not specified to one. Okay. They may be male or female, both. So due to this, 47 chromosomes is there. Why non-disjunction? Meiosis is not taking place properly. Not only late pregnancy, majorly it is seen in late pregnancy, but normally also it may possible. If meiosis is not taking place normally, then this condition will develop. Symptoms are short stature, not growing height, small and round head, partially open mouth. Mouth will not be opened fully. Then big and furrowed or wrinkled tongue. Tongue is big, but it is furrowed or wrinkled. Then retarded physical and mental development. Mental and physical development is not good. Okay. Complete that. Complete. Mongolism. What is doubt? Yeah, Mongolism is another name. Mongolism is another name of this condition. But persons are fertile. Persons have fertile. Right. Thank you. Next. This is majorly given for autosomal syndromes. Some other I will tell you, just simple. Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome. This Edwards syndrome is due to extra copy of 18th chromosome. 18th trisomy. Extra copy of 18th chromosome is there. Okay. Here cardiac abnormalities and kidney malfunction will develop. This results in cardiac abnormalities. That means heart is not functioning properly and kidney malfunctioning. Kidney also not functioning. So the persons who are suffering with the Edwards syndrome, they are suffering with the heart abnormalities, so they will live for only short duration. They cannot live for long duration. Then another one, Patau, P-A-T-A-U, Patau syndrome. Not much detail because they are not in an NCERT, but for safe side I am giving. Okay, this is Patau syndrome. This is 13th trisomy. 13th trisomy. 13th trisomy. Here, what is the 13th trisomy means? Brain, spinal cord, heart defects will come. Heart, brain, spinal cord defects will come and die after few weeks of birth. Immediately they will live for a few weeks only after birth, then they will die. Within their first days or die within 1 week. Die in first week. Within 1 week, the persons or the offspring or children who born, they will die. Next one is Cri-du chart. Cri-du-chat. Cri-du chart syndrome. This Cri-du chart syndrome is there is less of one chromosome, 5p minus. 5p minus. What is this here? Deletion of a partial arm in chromosome 5. In chromosome 5, some part of the chromosome arm will be lost. Due to that loss, this Cri-du chart syndrome will develop. Okay, here problems with the nervous system, mental retardation, and unusual face. Face will not be usual, unusual face. Like that, these conditions are developed. These are major important autosomal syndromes. Okay? Why this is called as a Cri-du chart means this is affected children show cat-like cry. The persons who are affected with this Cri-du chart syndrome, they cry like cats. They cry like cats. That's why it was given this name. Cat-like cry. They cry like cats. Okay? Complete? Complete? Yes. Thank you, PSR. PSR, why are you not getting marks, Raj? We have in recent WPTs, I didn't see your name. First 1 or 2 tests only you got good marks. Okay, next. Allosomal syndrome. Allosomal syndromes. Allosomal syndromes means syndromes which are developed due to difference in the number of allosomes. Allosome number is different means then they are called as allosomal syndrome. Best example, 2 are there, which is Turner syndrome Turner syndrome. What is this? Turner syndrome means actually what are allosomals? These are aneuploidy. Difference in the number. Aneuploidy in allosomes. If sex chromosome numbers are changed, that leads to this allosomal. This is also due to what? Defect in the meiosis only. Okay. See here, due to this aneuploidy in due to aneuploidy in allosomes, sexual characters will be affected because X chromosomes and Y chromosome, they are responsible for determining gender of the sex, gender of the organism. Sex of the organism is determined by the allosomes, but allosomes number are changed due to aneuploidy means that leads to difference in sexual characters. First one is the Turner syndrome. This, what is the Turner syndrome means? Turner syndrome has a karyotype. A karyotype 44X. X0. 44X0. That means total, we can say what? 45 comma X usually present. Sorry, 44 comma XX present, but totally only 45 chromosomes are there. Second X chromosome is absent. Total 45 chromosomes, absence of second chromosome. One X chromosome is present. Second, if there is X chromosome, then that person will become female. If second Y chromosome is present, then will become male. But second chromosome is absent. So 44XY. Okay. So here, this is what we can say, loss of X chromosome. That means monosomy. Monosomy of allosomes, where we can write 2n minus 1. There is a loss of one chromosome, but that chromosome is what? Allosomy. 2n minus 1. This is what? 2n minus 1? 23rd pair, because first 22 pairs are autosomes, but 23rd pair is allosome. That 23rd pair shows loss of one chromosome. That is what we say monosomy in allosomes. Okay. So here, as how many X chromosomes are there? Only one X chromosome. As one X chromosome, these are negative for bar body. Negative for bar body. Bar bodies are 0. Number of X chromosomes minus 1. Number of X chromosomes minus 1 is equal to bar body, right? But here there is no bar body. Okay. Then if you see here the affected individuals have female genitalia but internal genital ducts. These persons affected, otherwise, right? Affected individuals have female genitalia. Female genitalia are present. Internal genital ducts also present. Female genital ducts, but rudimentary ovaries. Rudimentary means functionless ovaries. Ovaries are not functioning. The persons who are affected with the Turner syndrome, they have female genitalia. Female genital, because X chromosome is present, the second chromosome is absent. So that there is, okay. Female genitalia, female genital ducts are present, but ovaries are rudimentary. Rudimentary means not functioning. What are the symptoms of this Turner syndrome? If Turner syndrome developed means, then the persons will become short stature, not growing tall, and gonadal dysgenesis, gonads are not functioning well. Gonadal dysgenesis. Dysgenesis means they are not producing gametes. Unusual face, webbing of neck. Neck is very short. Broad shield like chest. Broad shield like chest is present with wide nipples. Broad shield like chest with wide nipples are present. Okay, these are the symptoms of Turner syndrome. How this Turner syndrome is possible means, suppose male, what is male? Male has 44XX. Female has what? 44X, sorry, male has 44XY, female has 44XX, you know. If that disjunction is taking place in males, because among these two X chromosomes, one X chromosome will be taken and second X chromosome should be a male. But here disjunction is taken place in female means two sperms are produced which has 22XY and 22, no X chromosome. When this is combining with the 22X ovum, when these are combined, there is formation of 44X0. 44X0. 45 chromosomes will be present. 44XY is a female. Due to disjunction, what happens? 22 autosomes will be equally shared, but XY chromosomes are not shared between two sperms. So what happens? One sperm gets both XY chromosome, second sperm will not get X chromosome or Y chromosome, and the ovum formation is normal, which has 22X. When this 22X ovum combines with this sperm with only autosomes, no allosomes, then this condition is possible. Okay? Right. This is about Down syndrome. Copied? Yes, thank you. Next one. Yeah, this is happen only in females because single X chromosome is there. I told you they have female genitalia, female genital ducts. Male genitalia are not possible, only female, but sterile. They are not functioning functioning sexually, just ovaries are rudimentary. Then second one is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. Here, what is this Klinefelter syndrome is? You may have an idea. 44XXY. 44XXY condition. Here, what is this? This is due to 23rd trisomy. 23rd trisomy. Usually here, 2 X chromosomes are present means female character should develop. But another Y chromosome is present means male characters will develop. But here there is no development of that male or female sexual reproductive system. But suppression of that sexual characters is taking place, which is due to 23rd trisomy, which is total 47 chromosomes are there, which is 2n plus 1. 47 chromosomes, 2n plus 1 conditions are developed. What is this? Here, this is due to an extra X chromosome in male. Male, as Y chromosome is present, they can be looking as a male. But due to presence of X chromosome, extra X chromosome, female characters are not suppressed or male characters are not fully developed. See here, male has 44XY. Female have 44XX. During gamete formation, this gets 22X. This ovum gets 22X. But sperms, this sperm, suppose it gets 22 only. 22, no allosome. Suppose this sperm got 22XY. If this is fertilizing this, then there is formation of a zygote. This will get 44XXY. Due to chromosomal disjunction in the gamete formation of males, there is getting one sperm with XY gamete. When XY gametes are formed, that 22 autosomes are common. XY gametes are present. When this is combining with a normal ovum, there is formation of 44XXY condition. That is what we say Klinefelter syndrome. So here these are positive for Barr body. How many Barr bodies are present here? How many Barr bodies are present here? Number of X chromosomes minus 1. 2 X chromosomes minus 1. 1 Barr body is present. And the persons have male genitalia. Male reproductive parts are present, and internal genital ducts. Internal genital ducts are also present. Male genitalia, internal genital ducts, but testes are not developed. Testes are not fully developed. Testes are underdeveloped, and female characters are not fully suppressed. Male characters are not, due to Y chromosome, male characters will be expressed, but not fully. But due to presence of two X chromosomes, female characters are developed, but due to Y chromosome, they have to suppress, but not suppressed fully. That is the thing. Okay. Here, boys are there. They appear normal up to puberty. Up to sexual maturation, these persons, actually they are looking like boys due to presence of Y chromosome. That boys appear normal up to puberty. Up to puberty, they are appearing as normal. But later, the symptoms will develop. What are the symptoms? Symptoms include hypogonadism. Hypogonadism. Gonads are not functioning and producing this one. And underdevelopment of secondary sexual characters. Underdevelopment of secondary sexual characters. Okay. Then infertility. Infertility. That means no active. Reproductively inactive. Reduced IQ. Intelligence quotient will be reduced. That means difficulty in learning. Difficulty in learning. Gynecomastia. Gynecomastia. Gynecomastia means development of breasts in males. Breast development takes place in males. Yeah, wait, I will tell you. And tall nature. And tall nature. And tall nature. Tall nature. Persons will be very tall. Actually, they are males, but testes are not developed. Underdevelopment of secondary sexual characters. Hypogonadism. Infertility. Reduced IQ. Gynecomastia. Breast development takes place in males. And here, male genitalia they have, but rudimentary, not functioning. Okay, this is what we can say Klinefelter syndrome. Sir, do they have like transgender? Yeah. Transgenders means gender, sex of the organism is modified. That is somewhat different. How can we say? Yeah, Kanchana. Kanchana. Yes, yes. What a doubt you asked, like Kanchana, sir? Yes, sir. Like Kanchana. Kanchana movie. Okay. This is about Klinefelter syndrome. Once briefly, normally 44XX means female, 44XY means male. But due to this non-disjunction of chromosomes, sometimes there may be development of 44XXY condition. 2X chromosomes means male they should be female. Presence of Y chromosomes means male. So they are not fully males, they are not fully females. They are not fully males, they are not fully females, but due to presence of that Y chromosome, male genitalia are present, but that is rudimentary. Testes are not fully developed, but female characters appear. They are males, but sexually they are inactive. They cannot carry out reproduction. Gamete formation is not there. Testes are not functioning. but they have some female characters also. What female characters? Like development of breast, like that. Female characters are not fully suppressed. Okay. So due to this XY, if sperms are getting XY chromosome due to difficultiness in meiosis, that the sperm which has XY chromosome that combines with normal ovum and forms 44, 22, 22, 44 X, XY, then that condition is coming what we call 23rd trisomy. Okay. The persons as Y chromosome is there, they are looking like boys. Until puberty, there is no change. After puberty, the problem will be shown. Okay. Symptoms like hypogonadism. Hypogonadism means there is no development of gonads and there is no production of gonad hormones. Underdevelopment of secondary sexual characters. Okay. Infertility, reduced IQ. Yeah, 1 second please. Yeah. Reduced IQ, gynecomastia, these conditions are seen. Okay. These are some important disorders. Albinism is one more disorder. 22 gamete means cause of Turner syndrome, sir? No. 22 gamete. What is 22 gamete? Albinism is another one. Albinism is actually autosomal disorder, Mendelian disorder it is. Albinism means in people in America, they are looking like white color, na? That is called as albinism. Albinism is due to less melanin pigmentation. Melanin pigmentation is very less due to 11th chromosome. 11th chromosome is responsible for melanin pigmentation in skin. If melanin pigmentation is not taking place in skin normally, then the skin will get less amount of melanin and it will become white color. That is what we can say albinism. Okay. Another one is there, Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's means forgetting everything. Alzheimer's disease, that is also Mendelian disorder. Okay, that is, they are not needed, just I am mentioning the names. Just I am mentioning the names. Alzheimer's, albinism, like that. Alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria also autosomal Mendelian disorder. Alkaptonuria is also autosomal Mendelian disorder. That I will mention the names. Some other autosomal Mendelian disorder. Autosomal Mendelian, not important, just what are what. Examples: alkaptonuria, nothing is required in detail. Then Alzheimer's, albinism is white color pigmentation on skin. Skin will not get melanin pigment, so they will become pale color. Alzheimer's means forgetting everything. Alkaptonuria means urine will get burnt sugar smell. When we burn sugar, some smell will come. That is what we can say alkaptonuria. Maple syrup urine. Okay, these are some important. Okay, enough for now. This lesson, principles of inheritance lesson also complete. I think it is very big. It took about 24 slots, I think. Very huge. Okay, except biotechnology, remaining everything is complete. Next class, I will start biotechnology principles and processes. All lessons. Maximum 14 to 15 classes means both lessons will be completed. Okay, we'll start biotechnology in the next slot. This lesson is complete. Up to this topic, you have to write WPT in tomorrow. From sexual differentiation in honeybees, then up to this topic, write WPT. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet again with, yeah, I'm moving. We'll meet again with biotechnology. Biotechnology is somewhat more interesting than these two lessons. Biotechnology is somewhat more interesting than this. We'll see that in next class. Thank you. Bye.